Week 5 Overview. Last week, we had quite interesting discussion about layout since we saw in some flyers. I should say some comments on bad example of flyers were pretty funny. Anyhow, questions regarding the requirements for personal logo assignment came up. First, it was my intention to have you design your personal logo before we discuss details of design principles and color theory, because this is a design of your own logo. You just need to explain your decisions in reference to what you have discussed. Perhaps I was not clear on my expectation. I realized there's some confusion, and I did not get back to you in timely manner. Also, I think the discussion on design principles and philosophy of color this week may help shape your decisions. So, as I mentioned, there was some confusion on the requirements for logo assignment, so I extended the due date for the personal logo assignment to Saturday, the 24th. With this extension, the logo critique assignment will be due on March 4th. So for those who already submitted the logo assignment, if you prefer to edit after our discussion this week, you feel free to do so. Remember, you will submit your explanation along with your logo file in Wildcourse. Your explanation should include your intended message, the analysis of your design decision. What are your reasons based on design principle, and the justification on your decision in reference to your messages. For your portfolio, it's your choice to place this assignment there now, so you get used to how Google Site works, but I won't grade it until it's due. You may check the due date on the syllabus. So this week you will learn more techniques that can help in design. Also check out this week's activities to see the link on psychology of color and the video on visual literacy. See you in our weekly discussion forum.